What's up, guys? My name is Garrett Jones, expert jump roper, and today I'm going to teach you the boxer step. So the boxer step is something that boxers do. That's why it's called the boxer step. You see Floyd Mayweather do it, Manny Pacquiao, all the greats, Mike Tyson. And this is one of the moves that it's so useful because instead of just jumping on 2 feet all the time, you can shift your weight from side to side, which is actually how we move in everyday life. When we run, when we walk, when we do everything, it's really just a shift in weight from side to side. So I really love the boxer step. I start with that. That's like my default mode. So I'm going to teach you guys how to do it with these simple steps. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to be able to do is jump over the rope with good technique, with the right size rope, proper form, everything. I have a video on that. You can go look for that one. Once you master that, you can start doing the boxer step. The boxer step is going to consist of you going from one foot with most of your weight on that foot and then switching to the other foot with most of the weight on your other foot, always staying on the balls of your toes, but it's just a slight shift in how you're holding your weight. So it's almost like you're dancing. Boxing, jumping rope is basically just dancing. You have to have the right rhythm, the timing, everything. It's just like dancing. So if you're not a good dancer, take some dance classes. Or you can just start jumping rope and you'll see how much better you get at it just from trying. But the main thing here for the boxer step, you might want to put your rope down first if you're having trouble with doing it with the rope, okay? You're gonna wanna jump on one foot and put your toe, just the tip of your toe of your off foot on the ground. And then work on doing that over and over again. You can start going faster and faster as time goes on, okay? So it's like a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You're just tapping that off foot toe, but not putting a lot of weight on there, okay? Once you're able to do that, you can kind of find your rhythm without the rope. Just like I said, just tapping that off foot and just get that down. Do it until it feels comfortable. Okay, so once you get comfortable doing it without the rope, you're gonna grab your rope and start jumping, but you're not gonna go straight into the boxer step. What I want you to do is learn how to shift your weight from side to side. And what we're gonna start with is learning how to jump on one foot first multiple times and then jump on the other foot multiple times. And then slowly and gradually we'll shift to alternating one foot at a time. What that's gonna look like is you're just gonna practice doing 5 jumps on one leg, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and switching after 5 jumps on each leg, okay? After you get that down, you can go to 4 jumps on each leg, then 3 jumps on each leg, then 2 jumps on each leg, and that's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Once you have that down, you can start going one at a time, which is gonna look like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So you're just jogging in place at that point. That's not the boxer step yet. But it's gonna be crucial to learning how to time the rope with jumping on one foot at a time. And essentially, all you're gonna do from there is go from landing with one foot at a time to tapping the toe. And you're just bouncing. You can do 2 on each leg. It's kind of one of those things where you make it your own. You just find the rhythm, and eventually you'll get comfortable doing this, but it's just gonna take practice and effort, dedicated effort. So give it 10 minutes of working on these skills that I just showed you, and do that every day for this week for 10 minutes. I guarantee by the end of the week, you'll be extremely comfortable doing the boxer step. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment below to let me know what you guys want to learn next. I'm trying to give you all the basics to becoming a great jump roper, as I am trying to master this thing. And I hope I see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later.